The useEffect React hook accepts a function with some kind of logic as the first argument. And as the second argument, it accepts an array of dependencies. So that if any item inside of this array gets updated or changed, this logic will be triggered. Here I have an application that displays Kanye West quotes from his Twitter. And every single time when I click the refresh button, I update my counter, which then triggers this logic. So I'm going to click the button and a new quote will be fetched every single time I do. If you don't pass anything inside of this array, well, pass in an empty array, the logic here will only be triggered once when the application is loaded. So now, even though I click the refresh button, nothing happens. And that's the useEffect hook, the second most important hook after the useState. You are probably not subscribed. And I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so I would really, really appreciate your support. Thank you.